Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Wallpaper Engine and launching the editor. This is where you build the visualizer. Import your audio source and confirm the program receives sound. Choose System, File, or Mic. Next, bring in a background image and any overlay assets like PNGs or SVGs. These will react. Once done, set the project type to Scene so you can add interactive components. This gives you layers and properties for audio linking. You now add an audio output component to your scene and select the correct channel. This feeds audio data into everything else. Then create shapes or sprites you want to animate and attach audio input modifiers to their scale, opacity, or color. Make sure to map frequency bands intentionally. Use lows for big motion, mids for body, highs for sparkle, because that determines how visuals respond. Also adjust sensitivity and smoothing to avoid jittery motion. Small tweaks make a big difference. You finalize by testing with the actual music or stream you plan to use. Watch how each band reacts and tweak sensitivity, smoothing, and gain until animations feel musical. Once satisfied, export the wallpaper and configure performance. Cap FPS, lower texture size, or switch to WebGL rendering for smoother playback. If things go wrong, check your audio device routing, reduce simultaneous effects, and update sound drivers. These steps often resolve stuttering or no audio issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.